Welcome back. Every year, millions of people around the world end up compromising the health of their kidneys. And often they realize this only when the damage has already become significant. Your kidneys purify your blood and keeps you healthy. But after the age of 50, they gradually lose their efficiency, and in most cases, symptoms only become noticeable when the damage has reached an advanced stage. Swollen ankle, heaviness in lower back, or dark colored urine are only early warning signs and are often ignored. Today, we will tell you about 8 beneficial drinks for your kidneys that can be made easily using readily available ingredients. Let's learn about them in detail. Number 1, watermelon ginger juice. The easiest and most effective kidney friendly drink is watermelon and ginger juice. Not only does it refresh your, but it is scientifically proven to open up the small vessels of the kidneys, enhancing blood flow and improving filtration. Watermelon contains L-citrulline, which is converted into nitric oxide in the body, improving blood supply to the kidneys. Ginger, because of its anti-inflammatory properties, reduces scarring in kidney tissues. To make this drink, blend 2 cups of seedless watermelon in with half an inch of fresh ginger, strain and drink it immediately. If you are taking potassium-sparing diuretics, please consult your doctor before drinking this. Number 2, Parsley Lemon Ginger Tonic. The second most easy and beneficial kidney-friendly drink is Parsley Lemon Ginger Tonic. To make this drink, take a handful of parsley leaves, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon and add half an inch of chopped fresh ginger to 2 cups of hot water. Leave it for 10 minutes, strain and drink it on an empty stomach. Parsley contains a natural compound called apigenin, which protects the small filters in your kidneys known as glomeruli from free radicals. Lemon prevents kidney stones as it contains citrate, which, while ginger reduces inflammation, keeping the kidneys healthy. Drinking it daily on an empty stomach is the best way to ensure that the nutrients and natural compounds fully reach your kidneys. If you are on warfarin or any blood thinner, consult your doctor first because parsley is rich in vitamin K and may react with these medications. Number 3, hibiscus beetroot and lemon tonic. The hibiscus beetroot lemon tonic is a highly beneficial drink bringing various advantages to the kidneys. The hibiscus in this tonic reduces kidney inflammation and soreness while nourishing tissues. The beetroot contains natural nitrates that convert into nitric oxide in the body, leading to the expansion of tiny blood vessels in the kidneys and improving blood flow. Meanwhile, the lemon contains a citrate that helps dissolve calcium deposits and prevent kidney stones. To make this tonic, place 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus flower in 10 ounces of hot water for 5 minutes. Then add half a medium beetroot made into a paste or puree. Squeeze a lemon for its juice and add it to the mixture. It is best consumed on an empty stomach in the morning or 30 minutes before or after meals for faster nutrient absorption. This tonic enhances kidney filtering capabilities, reduces inflammation and swelling, and is particularly helpful for individuals over 50 years old or those with weak kidney. Remember not to add sugar or artificial flavors. If you are on medication for high blood pressure, consult a doctor before using it. If your urine turns pink or red after drinking this, do not worry as it is normal. With regular use, it keeps the kidneys healthy and strong. Number 4, cucumber mint water. The fourth drink is the easy to make and kidney-friendly cucumber mint water. This refreshing drink not only invigorates but also benefits kidney health and protection. To prepare, finely chopped half a cucumber, add 6 to 7 fresh mint leaves and fill with cold water. Drink it within 90 minutes to avoid the bitter taste of cucumber. Cucumbers are high in water content, which helps keep your body hydrated and improves kidney filtering capabilities. Mint lends a fresh and antispasmodic effect, helping to ease the urinary tract and reduce mild inflammation and discomfort. It is highly beneficial for keeping the body and the urinary system hydrated. If you are on potassium-sparing diuretics such as spironolactone or AC inhibitors, consult your doctor as cucumbers are high in potassium. It is best to drink 1 or 2 glasses in the morning or afternoon. This drink has a refreshing mint aroma and a satisfying taste while ensuring adequate water levels in the body. Number 5, coconut water. Another readily available drink that benefits the kidneys is coconut water. It is naturally pure, light, and provides instant energy to the body. Coconut water contains potassium, magnesium, and electrolytes that help maintain the body's water balance and enhance kidney function. It also has a mild diuretic effect that assists in removing excess salts and toxins through the urine. Consume a glass of fresh coconut water in the morning or midday. Always choose fresh coconut water and avoid flavored or packaged varieties. If you have weak kidneys or are on medications to control potassium levels, consult your doctor first as coconut water contains high content of potassium. This drink keeps the body hydrated, provides essential nutrients, and supports kidney health. Number 6, blueberry lemon water. Blueberry lemon water is a powerful and abundant antioxidant drink that helps protect your kidneys. Blueberries naturally contains anthocyanin that reduce inflammation and damage caused by free radicals in the kidneys. It protects the tiny filters or glomeruli and helps to improve filtration. Furthermore, the citrate contents in lemons prevent the formation of kidney stones and avoids calcium buildup. It is easy to prepare. Take half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries, slightly crush them to extract the juice, then mix it into a glass of clean water and squeeze in half a lemon. Stir well and drink immediately. Its taste is slightly tangy sweet, giving a refreshing vigor. It is excellent to drink 1 glass daily in the morning or at noon. If there are sugar concerns, reduce the amount. This drink supports natural kidney cleansing, reduces inflammation, and maintains proper hydration in your body. Number 7, tamarind water. Tamarind water is a natural, inexpensive, and readily available drink that helps cleanse the bodies and remove toxins from the body. Tamarind is easily found in grocery stores and markets and has long been used for digestion and internal cleansing. Tamarind naturally contains tartaric acid, antioxidants, and mild detoxifying effects, which help eliminate toxins from the body and reduces stress on the kidneys. It has diuretic properties that flush salt and excess water from the body, reducing inflammation. It is very simple to prepare. Soak a small teaspoon of clean tamarind in a glass of warm water for 10 to 15 minutes until its pulp softens. Then mash it with a hand or spoon and strain the extract. Once it cools down a bit, drink it. Avoid adding sugar as it may harm the kidneys. If the taste is too sour, you may add a small amount of honey, but only sparingly. It is best to drink a glass in the afternoon or evening. If you experience acid reflux, heartburn, or low blood pressure, take precautions and consult a doctor before drinking. Number 8, Nettle, dandelion, and turmeric tea. At number 8, we have the kidney-friendly drink, Nettle, dandelion, and turmeric tea. This herbal drink aids in cleansing and strengthening your kidneys. Nettle leaves reduces inflammation in the kidneys and have mild diuretic properties, removing toxins from the body. Dandelion root supports the liver and reduces stress on the kidneys, while curcumin in turmeric lowers inflammation in kidney tissues and improves filtration. To prepare, place 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in 10 ounces of hot water. Boil for 8 minutes to make tea and add a pinch of ground black pepper to enhance the absorption of turmeric. Drink twice a day. In the first week, you may experience cleaner urination, reduced leg swelling, and increased energy. So these were 8 drinks that can help you keep your kidneys healthy. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.